Anytime you get a mac like that, it's just like falling apart. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that mac. Look at that. Cheesy. Just enough. Just perfect. Can't ask for more. I think rice is a overrated side dish, but when you get this jerk salmon, in particular this jerk sauce, I have to eat the rice. Like it don't matter. I just have to take the rice. See that? Get that. That. I didn't even get to the salmon yet, but that jerk sauce, some of the best jerk sauce I ever had. Now, get a little piece of salmon. You see how they got the cabbage, your bell peppers, and just look at that. Take a piece of that salmon out. How tender that is. The tenderness, the sauce, that bell pepper. Now to the main event, that curry lobster. I love the presentation of this dish. See how tender that broccoli is? That corn. Very well seasoned, look at that. Look at that. Nice. Good, look at that. Good chunks. Shit. Oh, look at that. Let me show. Get that. Look at that. That fresh. Get that. I'm about to dip. I'm gonna dip that bad boy in. Nice thing. If you love this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.